Welcome to our Excel training. Let's do a nice application on how we use calculated fields when we create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. To make a pivot table from the list we have, we click inside our table, then click on the pivot table from the Insert menu and select the Exit in Worksheet statement in the window that opens, then click on Location and select the cell in our sheet where we will create the pivot. When we press the OK button, our pivot table creation screens appear. For example, when we put the customer name in roles and quantity and unit price in values, we see the sales quantity and total amount here. If we sell 5 units and sell a product worth $1885, what is the average of one unit? To find this, you need to divide the unit price by quantity. To do this in the pivot table, we open the calculated field window by clicking on the Analyze section of the pivot table above, selecting Files, Items and Sets, and then Calculate File. Here we come here. Look. Let's say average, and after deleting the formula expression below, the total value, that is our total value here, is unit price. When you say unit price divided by quantity, look for one value and we find the average from here. Then by clicking the right button on it and saying Number Format, and from the window that opens saying Use the number and thousands separator, we can organize the numbers like this. We bought a total of $1,885 worth of products. We bought 5 products. The average of one of these came to $377. We can use the calculated fields in the account pivot table in this way.